And now we're down to 4.
Yeah.
We have Gracie, who's right over there. Hi, Gracie. We have our baby girl, Maggie. Yeah. And then we have our little Bandit of Bone and Blue. There are boys that are left. Chase your mama. Chase your mama. Get him.
Maggie. My little Maggie's getting so proud of me. She's looking. Mom, Maggie's right next to you. Hey, Maggie. Come on, Maggie. Come on, Maggie.
Mom's just trying to see if they can keep up. Come on, Gracie. Hey there, girl. She says, let's play, let's play. You're so happy, buddy? What's making you so happy?
Oh, a dog. It will keep in?
Yeah?
Yeah.
What's that?
I was barking.
She was barking? Yeah?
What's the dog named again?
Maggie.
Maggie.
And that's what's making you so happy? Show me how you feel. Show me how happy you are.
This scream is gonna know how much I love Maggie.
Okay, we don't need a scream. How about some other kind of sign that you're happy?
Yes.
Oh, that works. That works. I'm glad you're so happy.
Maggie's right there.
Yeah, there are all 4 of the pups.
Look at 2, 3. We do got 4.
Yes, we do. 2 blue, 2 silver left. Huh.
Abby, come on.
Oh, I think she's going to chase Mama. Here comes Mama. Come on, Pup Pup. Oh, here we go, here we go. Come on, Mommy. Come on, Abby. Bring your pup back. Bring your pup back. Come on. Oh, it didn't work. I love when they run. Oh, playing with the mama. Playing with mama. Yeah, now we can use that and set up our pond. Come on, Pup Pups. Kobe, be careful, please.
Why?
Where's the Pup Pups? Where's the Pup Pups?
Mom, why is Abby drinking water from there?
Oh, because she must have decided she was thirsty from all that running. Okay. Don't do that. There's puppies right by there. Okay, yep, that's my devil child. He listens so well. Here's a
You mean me?
Yeah, I mean you.
I'm gonna dump this out. I'm gonna push this. Push this.
Okay, let's not. No. We're out playing around the tractor.